Hi friends. So once again, welcome everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, today's topic is very close to me. I love this thing called as mechanical trading system. So today I'm going to explain to you what is the power of this mechanical system, and also I am going to share you about one live experiment which we are going to start using this mechanical trading system. So stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full updates about it. And also we are once again in weekend. We all had a very good week, but the weekend must not be just wasted. So I am posting the study material for this week as well. It is available in my I will upload in my trading group. Okay, the telegram group which I have, you can just in case if you're not yet joined, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. So we have lots to learn. So I'm just doing my small part to make sure that you're all updated. So most of the days I'm teaching you through my videos and live trades and all those kind of things. So weekends also you must not waste your time. So go through the books, study materials and all those things which I'm providing you. It's available in my group for free. So make use of those facilities. Okay friends, so let us go forward. One of my favorite topic, that is nothing but mechanical trading systems. So before going forward, we have a good offer in Upstock. Just wanted to make you update about this. I felt it is very good. So free demat and trading account available along with zero brokerage for 30 days. So you trade for 1 lakh or 10 lakh or how much ever you want, it will be completely free. And also they're providing free course from Elon Markets and also Stockage Premium membership. Stockage is a very good app. You can just try it out. It's very good for options and features and a lot of data available. So don't forget to use the link in the description of my video and you can join as well. Okay friends. Now, what is a trading system? It is also called as a mechanical trading system. Friends, to be frank, when I started my trading career, I was just going through Google, and those days there was a website called as traderg.com. I don't know how many of you have tried it. Now also it's available, but it's not so very active now. So I used to go through those websites, and then in that there were many people, seniors, who used to explain, check the 5 minutes moving average candle, and if it is down you buy, if it is above you sell, and then observe till when it is going up, when it is coming down, then just see whether it is getting crossed over the 15 minutes candle, etc. Look into the RSI. If RSI is indicating that, do this, all those kind of thing. Friends, those were nothing but discretionary trading system. It means that you have to think, you have to put in your mind, you have to put in your full effort, full kind of concentration, and you have to decide whether which way market is going to go. And you all know that price or market movement is completely unpredictable, because it's nothing but the emotions of people, the psychology of people. If people feel that they have to book profits, they will book profits. If people feel they have to buy, they will buy. If people feel they have to sell, they will sell. So you can't predict it, you can't control it. So for such kind of reasons, it is very difficult to make money through discretionary trading system. So discretionary trading system is nothing but the opposite of mechanical trading system. So in mechanical trading system, we have a clear cut rules to follow. That is nothing but a trading system. So it will be, our entry will be very clear when we have to enter, our exit will be very clear, our target will be very clear, the quantities will be very clear, everything, the rules will be set, and then you can trade it without any emotion. And then this is the best part of mechanical trading system, and I will go through the advantages also, don't worry. But if at all you observe my strategies which I have posted in my YouTube, you can see even the first strategy which I have posted, that is on the Nifty strategy. Everything are mechanical trading system. So it's only when I started using mechanical trading system, I started making profits in stock market. Reason, because during those days even I was going for work, and then there was hardly any time to look into the screen, the charts and all those things. So that is why I felt very comfortable with mechanical trading system, and then I took over. So what I'm trying to explain to you in today's video is that look into the advantages. It's really good, and then just give a try. If at all you want, you can just take any of my strategies. The recent one, Bajaj Finance, is making very good profits. I also posted in my group that all those who have made profit has to give me a treat, because friends, almost 1 week it was continuous profits. So that is the reason why I was asking them to, you have to give me a treat. Okay, that was just joking, but still I just wanted to say you that the advantage of following a system is very great. If in case you're not successful in stock market till now, just give a try. Okay. Now, let us look into the advantages of using a mechanical trading system, why I came into this system, and also why the majority of the people in stock market are into this kind of system. Then it is high time that you also follow. So a mechanical system automates the whole trading process. Basically, it means that you don't have to think too much. You don't have to put in your brains once a trade is executed or before the trade is executed. You just have to follow the system. So it's also best suited in case you want to do algo trading. So when you're doing an algo trading also, you just have to keep the clear rules clear cut and then just feed into your system, and then the system will take care of it. So it is best suited for automation and it is completely automated. If trading mechanically, your trading most likely will be more consistent and disciplined. This is the most important part which I liked really starting with mechanical trading system, because your loss is fixed. Even before you're trading, you know how much loss you're going to make, and then there will be a lot of consistency, there will be a lot of discipline when you start following this kind of system. You can just give a try, or you can just follow my videos as well. I have posted a lot of live trading videos. You can find in that as well. We are very consistent and very disciplined because we follow the rules. And also, many times when I was posting my video, I was telling you friends, there are many who were telling me to do this kind of change, that kind of change, when there were 2 losses, 3 losses and all those things. But I kept on rejecting them, and I also was updating you telling that we are not going to change the rules. I don't mind if I get continuous 10 losses also, because I maintain a loss stop loss of less than 5%. So even if I get 10 stop losses, I'm not bothered. I just stick to my system and I make sure that I follow my system and rules also very clear cut. And then once you are doing this, you will really see light at end of the tunnel. Yes. This is one among the best part, and the real reason why I started. That is, you can save lot of time. It's best suited for working people. So you know that most of the people are working, and also people, my channel also dedicated for all the working professionals. So mechanical system is the best. You can always save a lot of time. Mechanical trading helps you to think in terms of probabilities. Friends, this is one very unique concept, and one more thing which you want to understand is, when you understand this, you can better grasp the concept of the law of big numbers. Okay, so what is this law of big numbers? This is what I'm teaching in my mentorship program as well, and also about the law of probability. Because once you understand this concept, then trading becomes more easy, more simple. You'll start understanding how to make money in stock market. Okay, so this law of big numbers, don't worry, I'll make a video on that, because it's got a lot to discuss on that. But you have to understand that while doing this mechanical trading system, it really helps you to think in terms of probabilities, because you know stock market intraday especially is nothing but game of probabilities, nothing else. It's very simple as that. Yes. And this is the most important part, friends. You can never what to say challenge this when it comes to any other kind of trading system. That is nothing but the best part is that there is no emotions in play. This is one thing, friends, I have kept on listening from many of my traders, many of my subscribers who talk to me or who send me WhatsApp messages, is that, sir, when I see big profits, I can't control. Sir, when I see losses, I can't bear. Sir, after the market goes up and comes down, then I suddenly closes my trade because I can't control the emotions. This is the ultimate reason of using a mechanical trading system, friends, because I have always, almost all my videos have told, just place the levels, just place the entries, place the stop loss, and then close your mobile or close your system. So basically it means that you're getting rid of emotions. If you don't get rid of emotions, then you're not going to make money in stock market. So if you want to get rid of your emotions, best medicine or best treatment I'm giving you is that don't look into your mobile full time. So if you don't want to look into your mobile full time, the best option is then switch off your mobile, or might be you can close your mobile after you place your trade. So for all this, you need a mechanical trading system. Friends, I think this is more than enough to make you convince, or to make you realize that mechanical trading system has got a big advantages compared to the other trading systems. But before saying all this, I just want to give one disadvantage which mechanical trading system is having. That is nothing but mechanical trading system will have drawdowns. Drawdowns means losses. losses from your initial capital. Okay, so you have to be ready for that. Whereas when it comes to discretionary trading system, you are using your skills and all those things. I agree, you can make more profits than mechanical trading system, but it is not for everyone. Might be 1% or very few, less than 1% people will be able to make consistently money from discretionary trading system. That is nothing but opposite of mechanical trading system. But 99% of them who do this discretionary trading system will lose money in stock market. So there is very low probability of making money in that. But when it comes to mechanical trading system, you can say that people those who follow mechanical trading system, 80 to 90% of them make money if at all you control your emotions and trade constantly without changing the strategy. Okay, friends. So, last but not the least, I just told you about my live experiment. So, recently, when I posted this Bajaj Finance system to you, it's nothing but a system. Yeah, the strategy which I gave you was a system, it was a complete system where I told you when to enter, when to exit, how, what's the stop loss, what's the risk management, what's the money management, uh, position sizing, everything was told to you in that. That is nothing but a system. So all those who are following me, don't worry, all my old subscribers, you're all learned the correct way, that is following a system. But people those who are new, please do understand that this will give you better benefit. Now, when I posted the Bajaj Finance strategy and I told many people in Telegram as well that we're in continuous profit, there are a few people who were asking me, sir, why don't you post daily live trade of this Bajaj Finance strategy? So what I was telling them is, friends, mechanical trading system will make you bored because there is nothing to do in that. You just have to place your trade and then just leave, nothing analysis, nothing done, nothing predictions done, nothing of that sort done. So it will really make you bored. So what I'm thinking now is I will do this live trades as well and also post all this daily trades which I am doing in my mechanical trading system, and I will limit it only into my Telegram group. I'll just keep posting in my Telegram group so that all those who are following me can also correlate, or you can cross check with mine and also get inspired by the benefit of doing a mechanical trading system. Okay, so the link of the Telegram group is available in the description of this video. So also what I'm thinking is, you know that we are starting off this webinar from this Sunday. So the strategy which I'm going to explain in this webinar is what I'll be using for this trading system. So we are going to study one very robust trading system. So all of you will be knowing about it as well. And also the same thing, I will be following a system. I'll be starting with a small capital. I'll just decide on how much of capital I can keep separate for this, because you know my main accounts are already running. So I have to keep separate funds for this as well. So in a same Upstock account or might be in my Zerodha account, I'll just start off freshly, new fresh trades with a particular system, and we will start from the base so that everyone will understand that the plus and minuses of following a system. There will be drawdowns, there will be huge profits, there will be, it will be a roller coaster ride, friends, but ultimately I can assure you that there will be profits after a long time. That is nothing but the probability of large number. I'll explain to you later, but this is going to be an experiment from my side. We are going to select the system, and the system I'm going to teach in my webinars as well, and this system I'm going to post daily, or you can say regularly, on my Telegram group as well, so that all are following on the same, sorry, all are traveling on the same boat. Okay, so this was about the update I want to give about the live experiment which you're going to start. So any other confusion, any other doubts, you can always WhatsApp. My number is 8095 876525, and also don't forget to join the Upstock. I have provided the link in the description of this video. You'll be getting discounts on my open trades and well as my trainings as well. Okay, friends, so have a nice weekend, and also don't forget to read some books. I'm uploading. I'm in the group as well, so just don't forget to go through those as well. Okay. So once again, thank you and have a nice day.